how I'm building an online income system as a beginner. No hustle. Let me say this clearly. I'm not chasing hustle. I'm not trying to work 24/7 either. And I'm not trying to go viral every week. Building something calm, something structured, something that grows even when I'm not online. In this video, I show you how I'm building an online income system as a beginner without any pressure. Section number one, why I rejected the hustle mode. Most advice online sounds like this: post everywhere, wake up earlier, sleep less, do more. But beginners don't burn out because they are weak, they burn out because the model is unrealistic. I wanted a system that, one, fits real life, two, allows learning, and three, improves weekly, not chaos. Section number two, my simple weekly structure. Here is my actual routine: one or two long videos per week, short spreads across platforms, one free resource I point people to, email follow up that runs quietly, and that's it. No daily stress, no guessing what to post, no random actions, just repetitive and improvements. Section number three, how AI fits into this. AI is not replacing efforts, it's removing friction. I use AI to, one, generate ideas, two, structure scripts, three, plan content, four, stay consistent, five, instead of thinking from scratch every day, I focus on execution. That alone saves hours every week. Section number four, why this work for beginners. This system works because it doesn't depend on motivation, it doesn't require expertise, it grows with experience. You don't need to know everything, you just need to start with structure, then consistency beats intensity always. Section number five, invitation, not pressure. If you want to see the exact starting point I use, I've put it together in a free AI starter kit. It's simple, beginner friendly, and designed to reduce overwhelm. The link is below. Calm systems last longer than hype. If this helps you, stay with the channel. We are building this properly.